Hey, it's Steve. Multiple sclerosis recovery for me wasn't always this good. When I first became sick before my MS diagnosis, I was only 22. And when I finally got my diagnosis in 2004, felt like MS was stripping everything I held dear away from me. I gotta tell you, everything was a struggle. If you are sitting there watching me and you feel like this and you're scared to death, your life will never be the same, I'm telling you, it can be. I promise you, you can get back your life. So, my story. Before I moved back home, I had been really into working out. But ask anyone who was really into working out and then gave it up. It's immensely hard to get back into it. Mom was in between jobs, so she found herself restless being at home with me all day, so she joined a gym near our house. One day she asked me if I wanted to join. No, I felt like garbage, but guilt was swimming around in my head. So one day I finally agreed to try it out. I tried it, but of course, fatigue made exercise made me feel like garbage. I think half the equipment I couldn't even use because of my growing list of physical disabilities. So after that trial period stopped, so did I. But quitting made me feel guilty. I remember we used to have an old rowing machine in our basement. And I do remember I loved rowing before MS. So I picked it up. It was a struggle. Over time though, I got used to fighting through the fatigue. Learning this technique to handle it, I think let me stick with it. Eventually my drive returned. Then I bought my Bowflex. One day I read about something called wave loading. And the story continues. So repeated practice, setting up an exercise routine focused on weightlifting tells the brain that our damaged nerves are not enough. So when brain signals repeatedly travel through our neurons when lifting, it generates action potentials that create an electrical current that spurs oligodendrocytes to generate replacement myelin. Thank God I picked it up and I stuck with it. My life has changed in so many ways. I know yours can change just like mine. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.